And welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm doing an old classic. It is a 10-minute drop challenge. I haven't done one of these in ages. So as some of you may know, I dropped a gigantic sound collection / pack full of D&B sounds. It is called Zodiac and it really is a monstrous pack, and I thought I'd put it to the test today. 10 minutes on the clock, create a drop, see how we go. I'm feeling super confident. I know these sounds inside and out, so it should be easy. 174 BPM, I got the pack loaded up here. I forgot how stressful these are. Okay, here we go, 10 minutes in 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, we are boosting through. Straight away, I want some drums, and I'm gonna go for that clean sound. I'm thinking like thumpy 808s and shit like that. So kinda, you don't even need to test out any other ones. Kick on here and then on here. Yep, loving that. Good start. One kick placed. Snare. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Hi-hats might take a little bit of time. I know, kind of like the rough. Where the hell? Closed hats. There we go. So yeah, check them in. I'm kind of digging like a really faded in hi-hat, kind of almost like a shaker sound. Bit longer. And yeah. Maybe one that's slightly different than the first. It's subtle variation. But 10 minutes on the clock, I ain't messing around with that. So cymbal loop in the background, need some variation and shortcut this. That's kind of fast paced, I'm digging that. And some hundies as open hats on the beat, every beat. So douche. That didn't duplicate properly. There we go. These would be super subtle and in the background. Classic, great start, nice. Hybrid reverb. It's okay. A little bit too much bass in that. Do I have time to do this? No. 40B. Banging. Okay, let's get into some atmosphere and then some bass, and then we shall hopefully have a drop within the 10 minutes. I haven't blinked in ages. G, why not? Literally just grabbing the first sound of here. Classic, there's got to be an F, obviously. Might have an auto pan on that, locked and loaded on the 16th. Nice. Potentially not. We'll see how the rest of the drop goes. Vocal sweeps. Loving that one. I've used that so many times over the past many months. It works very well. D, D sharp, E, F. Then this one's subtle variation. Actually, I kind of like that gap in between kick and snare. So, bada bing, bada boom. Maybe one more little laser kind of. There we go. And then maybe one more in there. Okay, easy. 6 minutes 33 to go to construct the bass. We've got the drums, we've got the effects, and it's bass time. Let's go. Okie dokie. Just be like, yeah, I'm done. No, we're not gonna do that. We're tempted to do that. Oh, it's in G though. Shit. You get that down to F. Do we need some sidechain? Maybe we could have like a wub kind of with this. No. Something. Repeating that? Man, I need a blink. Oh my god. Kind of a bit AMC-ish. And then something. Maybe like a respace in the back. No, not in the back. In the next section, like something like that. Zodiac. Let's get Reese. That's dirty. So we got some thumping. I'm thinking that C note. And then F minor, I guess. Gotta be cautious because we got the D tune, the semitone shift. We could introduce that a little bit. Okay, we don't want to group these two together, and 3 minutes. I'm thinking a shitload of saturator and then some volume kind of. Okay, too much. Kinda? Sidechain on the group, and when I say sidechain, I mean that kind of goes hard. And then the snare, probably not as much of a little duck in volume. And then where's the kick next spot, and then snare next spot. Kind of just want to shift that there. And then a little wow, just a cheeky little bass switch up there. Actually, we could do a bass switch up at the start. We get a bit more of the sound come through the loop. That's kind of cool. D sharp though, so it needs to be E, F. Louder. Okay, too much. Then this could just have a switch up as well. Cheeky. What do we F? Maybe. Okay, too much of that. Nah, it's not quite, because there's so much bass in the do-do-do. We need heaps of bass in this bit as well, and that's good for like a verse, kind of, not really a... Yeah, something like re-enable. Okay, we want that to start like that. And then we have some super fast hi-hats coming here. 22 seconds, bruv. What? Where's that time gone? We're just gonna have to double that shit up. But the triplet thing, or the super fast hats, isn't kind of... Just... God damn, that's loud! I just want to smoke everything with a saturator, and then, yeah, I think it should be good. Smoke it, hard clip it, and then... Why does everything sound so good when it's fucking brick walled? Okay, my only complaint is that it's so much bass. We need like just like a break from it. And then this needs a touch more bass. And then that's good. Sick. That's a great start. That is a build a tune out of that for sure. But we'd probably want to do it a bit more cleanly rather than just slamming everything with a saturator and just being like, sound design. I know what would be good in that, like a little drum fill in. Why am I still working on it? It's 10 minutes is over. Something like that, yeah. So look at the title of the video, 10-minute drop drum and bass challenge, and be like, why is it 2 hours long? Finish the whole track, baby, let's go. Mission accomplished. So if you do want to check out Zodiac, it's the pack I've been working with the entire time for this video. Link will be in the description. Full of D&B sounds, serum presets, bonuses, etc, etc. And thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time. Peace.